Hello, this is Jesse with Spartan Public Safety Equipment. Today we have just finished upfitting a 2021 Ford Police Interceptor utility. We've installed all Phoenix lighting and Phoenix controller and siren. We've also installed 2 customer supplied radios, magnet mics for both radios, along with a body cam with charger, Apple iPhone and Apple Watch charger, and 2 stream lights. The 4200 has been configured. Mode 1 flashes your rear. Mode 2 activates the front flashing with no white to the front. Mode 3 activates siren along with the flashing takedowns, alleys, and headlight flashers. We have set it up. If you have alley takedowns, full traffic advisor controls, along with cruise lights on the dim function. The hammer we have installed is hooked up to the hazard, and the auxiliary plays the cops theme song. Well, another cool thing about this 4200, we was able to integrate the Ford 4-button upfitter switches on the steering wheel. Mode 1 being your whales. Mode 2 is wail and yelp. Mode 3 is a hyper yelp along with a phaser. 4 activates the hammer. You can also control the siren from the 4200 itself. The hammer is set to a 30-second timer, at which it will deactivate and you would have to activate it again. As you can see in the front, we have equipped the Phoenix mirror lights along with the Phoenix T3s, and we have activated the factory flashing headlight function on this vehicle. This vehicle is still awaiting the Weston push bumper. It's got the 49-inch GPL light bar on it. On the rear, we have Phoenix cannons in the tail lights, Phoenix Fusion surface mounts on the lift gate, along with a Phoenix 400 flasher in the back window. Thank y'all for watching. If anybody wants any information on this build or would like a build like this for your department, please feel free to contact us.